anything washing machines can't do? Actually, yes, but that's for another video. Today we're talking about 5 things you should start putting in your washing machine today. Shower curtain liners become mildewy over time, and when they do, you can toss them right into the washing machine. You'll want to use a cool setting and throw in a few towels too to help scrub the liner. When it's done being washed, simply air dry that bad boy by putting it back where it belongs on the shower rack. While you should never throw a foam pillow in the washer, regular pillows and cushions can go in there just fine, giving them a more thorough cleanse than spot cleaning alone. Use a gentle cycle, warm water, and mild detergent, then air dry it for best results. If you want to put it in the dryer, add in some towels so the whole thing goes a little faster, and you can even toss in tennis balls to fluff the pillows as they dry. Did you know you can use your washing machine to clean the floor mats of your car? Probably not, and that's why you're watching this video. You can also wash rubber-backed rugs and mats like the ones in your bathroom. Wash these kinds of rugs and mats sparingly, only when they really need it, and stick to the vacuum in between trips to the laundromat. Try this with the yoga mats too, but don't use the spin cycle on those. Leather can be tricky to wash, so always read up on the specific kind you have and follow manufacturer instructions. If you choose to wash a leather bag in your washing machine, we suggest using 1/4 a cup of cast iron soap on a gentle cycle. Then put the bag in the dryer on low heat with some towels, or air dry it. Afterward, toss some leather conditioner on it and your bag will thank you. While wringing out a mop is oddly satisfying, it doesn't fully clean the thing. To do that, you should rely on your washing machine. Put the machine setting on a small load with hot water, then put the mop head in a mesh bag, and use your regular detergent to get the job done. This simple method will go a long way toward cleaner than average floors. Be sure to drop a comment below with some of your favorite home hacks, and stay tuned to Lifehacker for more tips and tricks on how to do everything better.